Forex trading is an art. And for this art, you have to have some talent. However, talent is not the only thing required for success in the Forex industry. With practice and discipline, you can improve your skills. In this article, you will read a few steps that can help you get better at this art with the passage of time. Number 1. Goals and trading style. Before you leave for this journey, make sure you have a clear idea of where you want to get and how you are going to get there. In other words, you should have a clear set of goals in your mind. The trading method you choose should be effective enough to help you achieve those goals. You should keep in mind each trade type requires a different set of methods. Moreover, each method has its own risks. So, make sure you know your goals and trading style. Number 2. Trading platform. You should know that it is really important to go with a broker who has a trading platform for best analysis. So, it's a good idea to take your time and look for the best broker out there. Each broker has different policies and you should be familiar with them. Both the Forex broker and their platform should be good. Number 3. Methodology. Before you start as a trader, make sure you have a clear idea of how you are going to make decision for the execution of your trades. Aside from this, you should find out the required information for the best decision making. The idea is to enter or exit a trade at the right time. You may make this decision based on the fundamentals of the economy or a chart. Just make sure that the methodology is adaptive. Moreover, your system should be flexible enough to keep up with the dynamics of the market. 4. Entry and exit. Some traders get confused from conflicting information presented in charts. For instance, a buying opportunity that you can see on a weekly chart may appear as a selling signal on another intraday chart. So, if you are going to take your basic direction based on a weekly chart or a daily chart for entry, we suggest that you sync the two. If the weekly chart gives you a buying signal, you should wait until you can confirm it from a daily chart. 5. Expectancy. To check the reliability of your system, you can use a formula known as expectancy. You may want to get back in time and get the measurement of your trades. Afterwards, you may want to get an idea of how profitable your trades were and how much you lost. Ideally, it's a good idea to consider your last 10 trades. The bottom line. If you follow the tips or steps given above, you will become a very good trader before long. Again, trading is an art, and for making profits, you should be disciplined and consistent. Hope this will help.